Hi guys, today we'll be talking about how you go take stay for safe place in United Arab Emirates. Right now, the place you are or the kind of company you keep determines your stay in UAE, because once you mingle yourself with a criminal, you are a criminal. So ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'll be telling you how to avoid getting into the mix of bad egg of the African nationalities. Yes, the bad egg of the African nationality, how to separate yourself from there. So follow me to the end of this video, and don't forget always to like my video and subscribe if you're new in my channel. If you are already part of my family, always like this video. Let's go to the real deal. Hey yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Chris Amilo. Welcome back to a brand new episode of Life in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So today, the reason why I'm making this video, because there have been a lot of debates, which I won't go deep into. So it is very important to know where you are staying in UAE, especially if you're on tourist visa or if you're on personal residence. These are two visas that, if you are not careful, because a lot of people that are on resident visa are committing crimes. A lot of people on tourist visa are committing crime. A lot of people that don't have visa are committing crime. So how do you separate yourself if you have a personal residence and you have a tourist visa? How do you escape from the bad eggs? Because really, it is very important to know where to stay, who to meet, who to talk to, who to make friends with. A lot of time most people don't know this thing. That is why they fall a victim of another person's crime. For example, now, if you are in a place that you are selling drinks, it simply means that you are there to drink, and alcohol is prohibited in United Arab Emirates. So if eventually police came to that place and meet you there, you will be considered part of the people, and you will be taken to custody. So now, how to make yourself separate from that place is to avoid those places. Listen, there is something I want to tell you. There is some place in Musafa, in Abu Dhabi here, that most people that work, listen, I will give you these tips. Most people that are working, but they don't actually have visa. Maybe something happened, their Arbab couldn't do their visa, but they're actually working. You will see them, they will stand under the sun. They will be waiting for some Arbab that will pick them for part-time job. Do you know that these people, they have never even they pass their stage now. They pass there, but they know they mind themselves. You get they pass their steady, but because of say they are hardworking, they are there to work, and they are working. See, there's a difference between you are working and you are idle. Why are you in UAE if you are not here to work? You are not here for tourism. If you are not here for tourism, you must be here to work. That is the two things. If you are here for tourism, you must be in a hotel, either in a hotel in Dubai or somewhere lively. That is to show that you are just here for maybe 2 weeks or 2 months, just for tourism. But if you are here for more than those times, that means you are here to work, and you should be seen working. If you have a personal residence, you should be seen working. Now, why I'm saying this is because I go speak this one for broken. Sometimes all of us now will be saying, we dey inside that gbege, we shell that time, you know, inside that gbege we shell that time. And most of us don't they feel say we get that thing where we dey hold for hand, you know, make we take present ourselves, you get. So and we wey be say some people wey be say hold that thing, police still gbab them, you get, they still gbab them, you stand. So how to stay safe, you get. First of all, relocate. If you are staying in any building that is too much Nigerians, find a place that it is for people like you that are working, that are genuinely doing their job here. If you are in a building, maybe you rent a bed space in a place that they are selling alcohol, leave that place, relocate, and go to a place where people like you that are working are staying. If you are staying in a building that in that building there have been a constant report of fighting, you know, a lot of things, criminal activity in that building, relocate and look for a place that is more safer. For example, all this one that they are doing, I'm in Abu Dhabi, and all this is what they do. I don't even I've never even seen, you know, I've never even seen all this. I've never even seen. I will play you a video that I was interacting with, you know, but the area you are determines as in they will look at you and feel, what are you doing in this area? If you are truly working, what are you doing in this area? You get. So you should change your environment. It is very important for you to make environment changes. You get. If you know that you are staying in a place that is filled with criminals or people like that is not legal in UAE, you should move to a place that people are legal. You get. So that's what. If you want me to suggest for you, I will simply suggest for you. You get. So ladies and gentlemen, this is time for you to make a move. Not be to stay on Facebook, on WhatsApp they complain. This one they carry this one, they carry this one. If you don't make any move, all this sometimes I will just listen to some complaint. I will just keep quiet because your complaint is not valid. It's not valid because you have to you have to be the one to, you know. If you are making move, fine. But if you are not making move, stop complaining. That is just it. You get. That's just it. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what I said. Maybe it might help one or two people. You get. And again, those of us that feel say we don't become arbab, you know, let me tell you something. AK no go fit go company accommodation to take anybody. AK no go fit go company accommodation to take anybody. Now, even if you want to live outside your accommodation or outside your company accommodation, live in a place that is meant for people of your caliber, people like you should be. You get. You cannot be working any salary and go and meet with people that are not working, that are roaming around, and go and stay with them in the same building. When something happens, definitely you will be among them because you are in the same place. So learn how to separate yourself. Do not say, now my people go there. See, if it's up, that is just it. Once they don't bab you, nothing everybody can do about it. You get. So that's unless you have a strong company that has a strong public relation officer that can handle your case. Apart from that, me personally, I'm an individual. I'm under company, if I'm working on that company, so I no get anything to do for you. The only thing I can do is to give you this advice I'm giving right now. There is nothing more I can do for you. This advice I'm giving you is just it. That is just it. So we should now learn how to live up to. Now, like we need to make that change now because we are seeing the process of saying no to crime, saying no to cultism, saying no to violence in UAE. as African that you are. So we are still in that movement. If you think that we are already past that movement, we have not passed that movement. We are still in that movement, because if we don't continue with this movement, we will feel like everything is okay. So all of a sudden things will come up again. You understand? So let's continue with this movement. You can follow us anywhere. Just go to Twitter, type "say no to cultism," hashtag "say no to cultism" in UAE, say no to crime, say no to violence, so that our image can be bring out good. See, Cameroon, Ghanaians, Kenyans, Ugandans, you people that felt like the Nigeria people is the Nigeria people that my brother, it is high time we leave sentiment and join hands together to fight. This is our fight. It's nobody else's fight. You get? Now it is time not to. I'm just looking some people comment like this. You know, you will come to my comment and insult nonsense out of my body. You get? So, but it's okay. It's okay. You have the right of speech, but you should also get the message. At least you will insult me, but I want you to listen to the message which I'm giving out, and get little of my message, so that you won't be talking about na Nigeria people do this, or na Cameroon do this, or na Ghanaian do this. No, we should all unite and fight this cause, because this is not just Nigerian cause, this is not just Ghanaian cause, this is not just Cameroon cause, this is the whole of Africa. And that is why each time I'm making a post that has to do with Africa, I put the flag of the top Africans, which takes the lead here. So basically Ghana, Cameroon, Nigeria, then Kenya and the rest. So those ones that take the lead is where I put their flag. So if you feel offended for me putting your flag here, my brother, I don't have an apology for you. You get? Because I am an African, and as an African, I'm also a Ghanaian. I'm a Cameroonian. I'm a Uganda. I'm a Cameroonian. If you want me to speak French for you, I will speak French for you. So what am I trying to say? Let's mix together. Let's mix together and make this happen. You know, I try to advise other people, if they are living in somewhere that is not okay, they should relocate. A tourist visa, a person that came to tourist visa to look for job, shouldn't be in a place that they are selling drinks. He shouldn't be in a place that there is too much crime. You shouldn't be, if you're on tourist visa and you are the talk to, you shouldn't be in all these places. You should move away from all these places if you really want to work in the United Arab Emirates. Because one, if you are staying there will be so many negativity that will be coming into your mind. Sometimes you will even feel like you don't want to work, because you see people that are doing well, say they know they work with lamba. You know, one thing about us Africans, that we suffer and we smile. You get? Because I don't understand, because if you come to your fellow African, instead of you to explain your problem to the person, you want to booga for the person. You want to boast that you are comfortable with your overstay and your absconding. You want to convince the other guy that it is okay. Once upon a time, somebody told me that when I was leaving my first company, I was advised to why take your bali and go, and I wanted to give that guy a dirty slap, but I look at that time I'm still new, so I don't want to be in trouble. You get? So ladies and gentlemen, let's try to play with caution. It's not every time we should be pushing blame. We should be working towards change, and towards change is what I'm trying to bring up, and that is the positive side of it. So if you're an African, if you're Nigerian, if you're Cameroon, if you're Biafran, if you are from what they call it, Kenya, Rwanda, wherever you are, don't be sentimental. Let's come together and let's say no to violence, no to crime, and no to cultism in United Arab Emirates. My name is Christian Miller, and don't forget, here we'll bring you everything that has to do with Dubai, United Arab Emirates, with the jobs and employment. Please and please, if you never like this video, kindly like this video before leaving. And if you're a visitor, kindly click that subscription button. Also, notification bell, so that you will also get notification each time I post any video. Don't forget, I'm getting to my monetization. Guess what? I've not been monetized all this while. So, but I'm getting to my monetization, and once that happens, 2 people will be going away with 1 person from Nigeria and 1 person United Arab Emirates. 2 person will be taking a giveaway from me, but that will be a surprise. Somebody that is always in my comment box, always liking my video, I know you. If I go to my dashboard, everybody history of their attendance or their activeness in my channel are there. So I'll pick out 2 top fans and give them something special, and believe me, Amilo don't just say word, I do what I said. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching, and also remain safe. Move to a safe place, please. Move to a safe place. Stop staying with people that is not in your cannibal. Let people that their cannibal go to them, but you that is working genuinely, move away from that place and go and stay where people that are working genuinely are, so that you won't face the consequences of the offense. You won't face the consequences of the offense. This is my advice for every Nigerian and every African that is watching me right now. Me, I am not a proud Nigerian, I am a proud African. Note, I'm not a proud Nigerian, but I am a proud African. That is why I said everything I do, I put on Africa at the top. Chris Amilo, peace of God bless.